Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how to change orders of products in Shopify. Let's start by going to the Shopify dashboard. On our left side, go to Products. Under that, hit Collections over here, and then click Add Collection. Input all the necessary information like title, description, and for collection type, click Manual and click this link on Manual Collection Description. Then there, add your product collections. Then go back again to collections and then find your products on this page. On sort, click on manually. Then place it depending on how you want them to sort by dragging these buttons here. And you're good to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.